Hey, Ron here, and I'm here at the RealmsCon in Corpus Christi, Texas, with the Shire of Seawinds at the SCA booth, the Society of Creative Anachronism. And what I'm going to do today is the first time I've actually worn this armor, and I've actually worn it before, but actually the first time I'm going to wear it and actually be struck in it. What I want to do is test out, see how well it holds up, how well the rings hold up, whether the rivets pop. I'm already familiar with this type of mail, and it's probably not going to come apart from SCA blows, but SCA blows can take butted mail and just pop them apart. They'll fly everywhere.
Shredded?
So, yes, shredded. So we're going to go ahead and you see some fighting, and we'll test it out, see how many times I get a hit, and what takes place.
Run! Viking warrior! Viking!
Are you ready?
Yes!
Lay on!
What's that then?
A movie. Monty Python. Monty Python is so amazing. It's a rabbit. Kill a rabbit. Kill a rabbit.
Low? Sorry. Was it below the knee? Oh, okay. You did swing a little below the knee. Try to yield. Had to ask.
Somebody lost something.
Me. You wish to get it.
Let me button the knife. Wait.
Yes.
And you took my arm at the same time.
Very nice.
Close enough.
I don't die. I just don't know what she does. It's like, is that the truth? Well, that makes
Alright, that was quite some fighting. I had a really good time out there on the field, and the mail held up extremely well. I haven't found one ring on the ground, which I'm sure we'd see, and it didn't seem to come apart. So the Medieval Shoppe mail held up well. It's good for a first test, because I mean, this is blunt trauma. This is a club. These are 1.25" rattan swords, and I'm telling you, I had some opponents today. I mean, more worthy opponents than I expected showed up today. So yes, I got some good blows, and I'd say it passed the first test. Hope you all enjoyed the video and the fighting and the mail. And be sure and like and subscribe down below. Go ahead and go by our Thrand YouTube boat crew. That's our closed group if you want to become a member there. Then we have our like page on the Facebook, which is the Thrand and Eldrum's Well of Remembrance. Plus, if you all want to help us out, you can go by www.patreon.com/Thrand and make monthly donations. That helps us out to get all our materials and things that we need to test with, and funds to do things and go on location like we are today and actually do things with stuff. Also, if you'd like to make a one-time donation, you can do it at PayPal. with Thrand at yahoo.com. If y'all would like to donate your own items or send something for us to test, you can get a hold of me at Thrand at gmail.com, which is an email that I watch more avidly for things like that. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed the episode, and farewell.